Picked it up from Auto's BMW. Bone stock exhaust, stock wheels, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive, just the way I wanted it. I drove it home that day with no idea what it was about to become. First came the stands. We lowered it, meaner and planted. Then the wheels and the whole car changed. Then came the aero, sharper, aggressive, at every angle. Then the sound. This car took me places. Back road runs at sunrise, meets that turned into friendships, road trips that turned into stories that I still tell. Sunday morning drives with nothing to do but drive. It gave me a reason to pick up the camera, to show up, to build something. But more than anything else, it brought people in. Friends who became family, family who finally got why I loved doing what I do. Late nights in the garage with people I wouldn't have met in any other way. Every gear change had a person attached to it. Every drive had a memory. It was never just a car. It never is if you do it right. I put the car up for sale in November, and I'll be honest with you, I could have stripped it down, put the stock wheels back on, pulled the aero, and sold it to a dealer in a couple of days. That would have been the easy way out. But you know what? That didn't sit right with me. This build meant something. Every piece on the car had a story behind it, a person behind it. I wasn't going to hand it off to a lowballer and watch someone part it out on a quick flip. So I waited. Offers came in through the winter. Most of it were a no. So I just kept saying no. And then in February, the right call came. A buyer from Toronto, and he drove down with his family. And the second I saw the way he looked at the car, I knew. He loved it the way I loved it. He saw what it was, not just an M2. The build, all of it, every decision, every part, every late night, he got it. And his family got it as well. And that's super rare. It felt good. It really did. Knowing the car will be going somewhere, it will be appreciated, not just owned. A closed trailer pulled up at sunset, and just like that, it was time. It's heading to Toronto, new owner, new chapter. New roads I won't get to see it in. And that's just the way it should be. These cars are meant to be driven, not stored. Meant to be loved, not hoarded. He's gonna love it. Well, it's that time. The M2 is getting sold, and the new owner is here from Toronto, and they're gonna pick up the M2, sign the paperwork, and it's gonna be a done deal. So sad. It's an end of an era, end of a journey. But something else is coming, so we just have to be patient, wait for it. Before I close this chapter, I want to talk about the people that made this possible. Because a build like this doesn't happen alone, not even close. Let's start with Eric over at Auto's BMW. You sold me the beginning of something special, and I'm forever grateful for that. Thank you for making it a special experience. Ryan over at Auto's BMW as well. You helped do the PDI on the car. Sean over at Elite BMW. You were there from the very first mod. Rolling off your lift, lower, meaner, and just dialed in. Adalized wheels. Man, I don't know what to say. The team over at Adalized Wheels designed some of the beautiful wheels for the G87 platform, and without your wheels, this car would not even look the way it looks. Super concave. I joked about this in the first video. I bought the car to put your wheels on the car. So, if you're making wheels for the 911, keep me posted. Tell me where I need to sign up. Auto ID. Nathan, Jack, thank you so much for creating such an awesome kit. This aero kit totally transformed the car. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to work with you all as well, sponsoring my build and supporting me through this journey as well. Sarah from AWE, thank you for the opportunity to allow me to be part of the AWE family. The exhaust system and the intake system totally transformed the sound of this car. It is something that the S58 needed in order to truly open it up in its true form. Totally brings out the character of the car. So thank you for being part of the journey with me and sponsoring my build as well. Vesca out of Montreal. You trusted me with your products before anyone else on the market had it. That kind of trust is hard to give, and I never took it for granted. Thank you for believing in what I was doing. Next, Lucas, aka Dubcest, the Mr. M of Instagram. He ceramic coated the car. The car came out so glossy. I've never seen a car this glossy before. And he was also part of every single install of the parts, all the auto ID parts as they came in. He was part of that install process, late nights, late evenings. So thank you for your friendship and your support all the way along with this G87 build. And Jeff, aka Old Spoon, you helped me install my first ever auto ID mod, the rear trunk lip. You showed me what it's like to be part of the M family. Without you, I wouldn't have known about Impact, and I wouldn't have done that 2 years in a row. So thank you. And finally, to everyone who came along for the ride. Friends, family, the people in the parking lots, and the group chats and the DMs. Thank you. You made it what it was. Cars are just metal until people give them meaning. You're the ones that gave this one meaning. That was the G87 journey. The car that fueled the passion. The car that bought the people. The car that kicked my YouTube channel to the next level. This car will forever be remembered as the one that started it all. I guess now it's on to the next one. We'll see where we go. After 3 years of ownership of the G87 M2, it's finally time to say goodbye. It's been fun. I'm super happy that all of you had a chance to be part of this journey with me as well. Again, all of this would not have been possible without all of you supporting the channel as well. I'm going to truly miss the G87 M2, and I'm super happy for the new owner. The person gets everything as is: the kit, the exhaust, the intake, the wheels. Someone that really recognized what I was doing. So I'm going to sign off on this video saying goodbye to the G87. Thank you all for watching this far. Like, subscribe, do all those things, and we'll see you in the next video.